How to change side button click speed on iPhone X. Here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Next, tap Side button. Here, you'll see 3 click speed options: Default, Slow, and Slowest. Simply tap the option that feels most comfortable for you. Choosing Slow or Slowest gives you more time to press the side button when using shortcuts like Apple Pay, Accessibility Shortcut, or other side button actions. Your selection will be saved automatically and take effect immediately. You can test the new click speed by quickly pressing the side button the required number of times to make sure it feels right for you. And that's it. You've successfully changed the side button click speed on your iPhone X. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to videos.